Hello friends, welcome back to another delicious dessert, trifle pudding. It's very rich and super delicious dessert. First we'll prepare the custard sauce. Take 1 liter of milk, take a bowl and add 4 tablespoons of custard powder. Pour 1/4 cup of milk from the 1 liter of milk into the custard and mix it well without any lumps. Heat the rest of the milk and add half a cup of sugar. You can add more or less, it depends on your taste. Add just a pinch of salt and mix it together. Pour the custard mixture very slowly and stir the milk continuously. This is the consistency. The custard shouldn't be too thick or thin. Turn off the heat. Let it cool down for 10 minutes on room temperature. Let's begin by adding first layer of cake slices. Put the cake slices in the bottom of a large bowl. Pour some fruit juice over the cake. Here I am using pineapple juice. Then add jelly cubes in an even layer. Then add half a cup of fresh pineapple chunks. Pour half of the custard sauce over the fruit gradually. Now repeat each of the layer in the same order: cake slices, jelly cubes, pineapple chunks and custard sauce. Next, we'll make cream. In a medium bowl, add 1 cup of heavy cream or whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of sugar and a little bit of vanilla essence and beat well till you get a nice stiff peak foam. Spread the cream over the trifle. Put it in the fridge to set for 3 to 4 hours or overnight for best result. This is not the traditional trifle, but this is how I make. So this yummy trifle ready for any occasion, easy. Please do try this at your home. If you like my videos, please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and send me your lovely feedback in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.